Okay, let's go on to the next part. Who can tell me what we see up here on the projector? Yes, Khalid. Yeah, you're right. It is a subway map. In fact, it is our subway map here in Riyadh. Can anyone tell me what is the closest subway station? Or another way to say it, what is the closest subway stop to where we are right now? Yes, Omar. Right. King Fahd Stadium is the closest stop. All of you have a small copy. I passed out the small copies of this. If we look, what color is King Fahd Stadium? All these different, we call them lines, subway lines, they have different colors. What color is the King Fahd uh, Stadium? What color line is that on? Walid, yeah? Yeah, it's the red line. If we look here, you can see on your copy, King Fahd Stadium. That's where we're close to now. So it is on the red line. Today, we're going to be practicing giving directions, and listening to directions. So like we said, we're by King Fahd Stadium. One question I have for you is, if we want to go to King Saud University, also on the red line, how many stops is it? Which means how many stations would we pass? Who can tell me? Go ahead and you have to count them out. How many stations is that? Yes, Faisal, how many? 14. Let's do a quick check. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nice, yeah, that's it. That's very easy because we just started. We're actually at the start of this one, which is nice. And then we go all the way to the end of the red line. You don't have to think about your stop. They'll actually kick you off when you get to the end of the red line. But if we want to go somewhere different, like the financial district, what do you guys notice? What do we have to do? Yeah, Hassan. Right, yeah, we can't stay on the red line. We have to change to a different line. There are two different ways we could do it. Who can tell me one way? Yeah, Yusuf, what could we do? Sure, you're right. We could go from the red line to the blue line. That that might be the easiest way. Probably the easiest, but is it the fastest? Let's see. What other way could we go? Yes, Walid. Hmm. You're right. We could go from the red line to the purple and then to the yellow. Hmm. Looks like they would be pretty similar. That might even be a little faster. If we count them, I think it's less stops. But you do have to change twice. And if you hear the word I said there, change. So when we give directions, I'll go ahead and tell you how I would say it to get from King Fahd Stadium to the financial district. And I'm going to keep it easy. I'm only going to change one time. So I'll go from the red line to the blue line. So we could say something like, take take the red line from King Fahd Stadium and go 10 stops. I did count them, it's 10 stops. And then change at the blue line. Change at Olaya Station. And that's going to be right here where they meet. Change at Olaya Station, but listen carefully for the next part. Take the blue line toward Al-Arid, because the blue line could go either way. And even me, when I'm on the subway, sometimes I get on the subway and when I change and I don't pay enough attention and I accidentally start going the wrong way. So be really careful. So again, take the red line 10 stops, change at Olaya, and go toward Al-Arid 4 stops, and you'll get to the financial district. We'll model a couple more, and then you're going to practice these. Then you're going to practice these on your own. First, we'll have you start from King Fahd Stadium and go different places. And then I'll have you start at different places and go all around the city here.